Self-doubt.
Self-doubt, procrastination. What brings that self-doubt?
Thinking that I can't like complete a task or something in a timely fashion.
A lot of times with me, it's like my football and stuff. Like it gets in the middle of me able to like do things that I want to do.
Like what?
Like
Because I'm pretty sure you got practice, you got your games. So what are you doing in between practice, games, and school? Playing on that game?
no, I try to like.
Don't try, do it. Don't try, do it. Remember that, guys. Don't try to do something, do it. Can't is not in our vocabulary. We don't say can't. We don't say can't at all. That prevents you from getting stuff done.